بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
لا أقسم بيوم القيامة.
Nay, I swear by the day of resurrection.
ولا أقسم بالنفس اللوامة.
And nay, I swear by the self-reproaching soul.
أيحسب الإنسان أن لن نجمع عظامه.
Does man imagine that we will not be able to bring his bones together again?
بلى قادرين على أن نسوي بنانه.
Yes, indeed, we have the power to remold even his fingertips.
بل يريد الإنسان ليفجر أمامه.
But man desires to persist in his evil ways.
يسأل أيان يوم القيامة.
He asks, when will the day of resurrection be?
فإذا برق البصر.
When the sight is dazed,
وخسف القمر.
and the moon is eclipsed,
وجمع الشمس والقمر.
and the sun and the moon are joined together.
يقول الإنسان يومئذ أين المفر.
On that day will man say, whither the refuge?
كلا لا وزر.
No, there's no refuge.
إلى ربك يومئذ المستقر.
With your Lord alone will be the retreat that day.
ينبأ الإنسان يومئذ بما قدم وأخر.
On that day will man be apprised of his deeds, both the earlier and the later.
بل الإنسان على نفسه بصيرة.
But lo, man is well aware of himself.
ولو ألقى معاذيره.
Even though he might make up excuses.
لا تحرك به لسانك لتعجل به.
O Prophet, do not stir your tongue hastily to commit the revelation to memory.
إن علينا جمعه وقرآنه.
Surely it is for us to have you commit it to memory and to recite it.
فإذا قرأناه فاتبع قرآنه.
And so when we recite it, follow its recitation attentively.
ثم إن علينا بيانه.
Then it will be for us to explain it.
كلا بل تحبون العاجلة.
Nay, the truth is that you love ardently the good of this world that can be obtained hastily.
وتذرون الآخرة.
And are oblivious of the hereafter.
وجوه يومئذ ناظرة.
Some faces on that day will be fresh and resplendent.
إلى ربها ناظرة.
And will be looking towards their Lord.
ووجوه يومئذ باسرة.
And some faces on that day will be gloomy.
تظن أن يفعل بها فاقرة.
Believing that a crushing calamity is about to strike them.
كلا إذا بلغت التراقي.
Nay, when a man's soul reaches up to the throat.
وقيل من راق.
is said, "Is there any enchanter who can step forward in help by his chanting?"
وظن أنهم فراق
And he realizes that the hour of parting has come.
والتفت الساق بالساق
And calf is intertwined with calf.
إلى ربك يومئذ المساق
On that day you'll be driven to your Lord.
فلا صدق ولا صلى
But he did not verify the truth, nor did he observe prayer.
ولكن كذب وتولى
On the contrary, he gave the lie to the truth and turned his back upon it.
ثم ذهب إلى أهله يتمطى
Then he went back to his kinsfolk, elated with pride.
أولى لك فأولى
This attitude is worthy of you, altogether worthy.
ثم أولى لك فأولى
Again, it is worthy of you, altogether worthy.
أيحسب الإنسان أن يترك سدى
Does man think that he will be left alone unquestioned?
ألم يكن نطفة من مني يمنى
Was he not a drop of ejaculated semen?
ثم كان علقة فخلق فسوى
Then he became a clot, and then Allah made it into a living body and proportioned its parts.
فجعل منه الزوجين الذكر والأنثى
And then he made of him a pair, male and female.
أليس ذلك بقادر على أن يحيي الموتى
Does he then not have the power to bring back the dead to life?